Some people will only love you as much as they can use you. When the benefit ends, the love stops. This quote is a relationship quote. You might have been in a relationship where you got disappointed. Some men use ladies to benefit something, but it is a more percentage of women who use men to benefit from them, especially financially. Many men are in relationships where women are just focused at their money. And the day the money ends is the day what they call love ends. They tell you that they love you so much. They tell you that they die for you. But when your pocket dries out, they change their behavior. They can even go ahead to trick you, do a mistake, or for you to be the one to chuck them. Some people will love you as much as they want to benefit from you. Until that time, they will still love you. But when the benefit is gone, they are gone. So be careful